Good evening. Reference to the Sam's Club 3-piece set folding method. Now the picture what you're seeing is the Newark folding method, in which we are having a call out on the needle holes at each and every tacking places. As per the Newark folding method, this is the top side look of the garment, in which jacket is facing on top side and the bottom is facing on top side. This is the back side view of the Newark folding method, in which top is facing back side. This is the folding method which we would like to propose for the production. This folding method, the main objective is to make the garments without free from holes. That means by the tacking gun, 6 to 8 holes are creating at each and every for each and every sets. We have tried multiple options to avoid the holes. We check needles, everything. There is no way to control needle holes by using the tack guns. So we prefer this folding method, in which we are not using any tack guns, so there won't be any possibility for to getting holes. By this folding method, we can see the jacket, bottoms and tops, all the sets are facing on top side. Then you can have a look on the back side view. This is the view for the back side. Now we are going to show process wise, step by step, how we are going to tack this 3-piece set. For this packing and folding method, we are using the approved hanger and available hand tacks and lock pins. For this packing method, we need to make this satin loop as an additionally for bottom and as well as top. The position of the loop for the top is at shoulder seam. The position of the loop for the bottom is, it can be in back raise or along with the waistline. Now we are going to see the process wise how to tack. First we are going to tack the bottom along with the hanger. The step 1. Then the step 2, we are going to place the bottom, set the bottom with hanger. Then step 2, we are going to tack the tops through the satin loop. And the hanger. Then we are going to set the tops in hanging position with hanger. Then the step 3, we are going to tack the jacket through hanger loop to the hanger. Then we can see there is a 3 loop is tacked. One is with the jacket with hanger, then top with hanger, then bottom along with hanger. Now there is no possibility for the garment falling on the ground. Now the final step is to hang the jacket along with hanger. To set the jacket with hanger, then we will fasten the zipper. After the zipper fastened, we are going to attach the hand tag. Lock pin. For this folding and packing method, we need 4 lock pins, 8 inches 3-1 and 4 inches 1. 4 inches for hand tag and 8 inches for the 3 pieces for jacket, tops and bottom. Then the final appearance will be as the same. And now we are going to see how we are going to fold the garment. As it is, balanced garments as per the size requirements will be stacked and will be stacked in the carton.
This backside.
Backside view of the garment. The final hanging position of the 3-piece set in showroom will be like this. All the jackets, tops, bottom, all face on top side.
This is the back view.
This is the back view of the garment. Now we would like to show you the another folding method. Only the last step is different, where the sets will get inside the jacket and the sleeves will be bring out through the armholes. This will be the final store hanging position, where the sets will get inside the jacket. So front and back view. Finally, we would like to summarize the merits and demerits of the both the folding method. As per the New York, only the merit of the New York folding we seen is both the sides we can have an aesthetic look. That means back side is t-shirt is showing, front side jacket is showing fully. As with the proportional method, all the sets are showing on the top side. That's the difference between the New York and our proposal method. The main advantages of the proposal method is we are not shipping any garments with holes. That's a number one objective. Then second, it is a production friendly. Third, as per the New York method, if I want to tag a garment, minimum it takes 5 minutes, because I have to collect 3 garments and I have to tag one another tandemly, continuously. When it is as a proposed method, we can do lock by one single pieces along with hanger, second is with hanger, third is with hanger, then finally we are going to assemble. Then New York method folding will be done by a single person. Here we can go with a process like knits team can do knits and they can quarantine the garment in carton, and the jacket comes, when jacket comes they can take the jacket and they can assemble it and it will go direct cotton within a minute. The folding is having a minute, maximum a minute takes for our proposal method, where for the New York method is takes minimum 5 minutes, and additionally 6 to 7 holes are in this New York garments. Here it is a 0 holes. Then it is production friendly, where we have checked with the factories of other vendors, all they have gone through this method, but only the thing is the folding option is second. They made the sets inside. For the selling point of view, we understood our all the prints and everything has to show off. Then that's the reason we shared both the options. Kindly review the proposal method and advices we will follow accordingly. Thank you very much.